Let's begin question number 7. Here 15 cot A equals 8 is given and we have to find the value of sin A and sec A. So let's perform the solution. It is given that 15 cot A equals 8. So cot A equals 8 by 15 and cot A is opposite of tan A, so it is base by perpendicular. Let base equals 8k and perpendicular equals 15k. So let's draw a right angle triangle in which ABC, where B is 90 degree. So if I'll take this angle A, so this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Base is given 8k and perpendicular is 15k. So by using Pythagoras theorem, first of all we have to find the hypotenuse. So h square equals p square plus b square. So the perpendicular is 15k का whole square plus base is 8k का whole square. So this is 225k square. So 225k square plus 64k square equals 289k square, which is 17 square. So the hypotenuse that comes out will be 17k. Now we have to find sin A. So sin A equals perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it is 15k by 17k, which is 15 by 17, and sec A is just opposite of sec A, cos A, so it is hypotenuse by base, which is equals to 17k by 8k, so it is 17 by 8. That is the answer of this question. Thank you.